The benefit of the GoodWe Galaxy panel is it allows us to have the same kind of objectives and outcomes of a large commercial solar system, but using innovative products that are tailored to kind of challenge and break down these concerns, whether it's the dead load allowances or the uplift fixing requirements of traditional array frame racking systems. Overall, we see a big hole in the market because we've done thousands of assessments, and we know that there are so many buildings that could have had so much more potential, but at the time were failing by 94% of what the capabilities of the building were. If we had this product over 5-10 years ago, then we would have seen so much more panels on roofs where the end outcome and objective of the end client was to really maximize the output of PV, but due to the limitations or the costs in strengthening the building, the installation didn't go ahead. So we really respect the innovative approach that GoodWe's having, and there is a huge demand for this type of product and this type of advantage of this product specifically. So overall, as a structural engineer, it's a blessing in disguise. It allows us to really hit that next goal of trying to really create maximum utilization of any roof area. Really trying to utilize corners and edges of buildings where dead load or fixing could be a concern, and use these quite innovative lightweight panels that may be glued or uniquely attached to the roof.